Yes, Mom. Why are you being so superstitious in such modern times?
Even the girl's family is of same opinion. They want the wedding to take place on an auspicious date. Even I agree with them.
I agree with mother-in-law. I think for now we should get them engaged and later they can get married on an auspicious date. What is your opinion?
Hey, what's wrong with you guys? These dates don't matter. The success of a marriage depends on how much matured the involved couple is. The compatibility matters.
Exactly.
What do you have to say?
Dad, I think you should get him married as soon as possible.
Why do you want me to get married so soon?
Hey, once you get married, only then I'll be able to get married.
Ah. Siddhant, what is your opinion? Who do you support?
I always am on your side, Mr. KK.
Ah,
A man is a maker of his own destiny. I don't believe in stars and astrology.
that is why KK admires this boy. Neeta, you lost by 4-3. Siddhant supported my decision.
Come on, KK. This is serious. Karthik will get married on an auspicious date. That's it.
Let me think about it. Right now, I have to discuss something important with Siddhant. Siddhant,
Yes, sir.
come.
Mom.
Did you see that?
What do you mean?
Anushka, I meant that if Siddhant wanted, he could have supported you. But he did not. He supported father-in-law.
So,
So, for Siddhant, his career is his topmost priority. He supported father-in-law so that he could please his boss. What you need to worry about is that when it's time to make your relationship official, will he have the courage to ask? Or his career will remain his priority?
KK has to discuss something very important with you.
Yes, sir.
Reddy Pharmaceuticals is aiming to supply medicines to the Indian Army for a period of 5 years. For the final negotiation, a member as important as one of the board directors should be sent, although Karthik will remain busy. Shrikant handles the rest of the business. According to KK, this negotiation should be handled by you.
But sir, just now you mentioned that someone important should handle this. And I'm just a new joinee.
That is why I have decided to include you in the board of directors.
Thank you so much, Mr. KK. This is a major responsibility on me.
It is not merely a major responsibility, but also a great opportunity. You have proved yourself. That is why I want to give you this opportunity. Even Prabhakar was a member of board directors in many companies owned by the Reddy corporations. It is your turn now. I shall call an urgent meeting of the board of directors. You keep yourself mentally prepared for that.
Of course, sir. Thank you.
And listen, Siddhant,
Yes, sir.
don't share this information with anyone.
No, sir. I won't. Thank you.
what is the matter? You look so happy today.
Though Mr. KK has asked me not to share it with anyone, but you are my friend. I'll share it with you.
Why are you being so secretive? What did he say to you?
Mr. KK will be including me in the board of directors of Reddy Pharmaceuticals, you know. He's giving me a huge responsibility.
For Siddhant, his career is his topmost priority. He supported father-in-law so that he could please his boss.
What happened? Aren't you happy for me?
No, of course I'm happy. Well, the thing is, the other day you were talking about getting married. And now you're talking about work, responsibility and board of directors. Your priorities have changed too quickly.
Not at all. You are still on my priority list. With this offer, my task becomes easy.
How?
Hey, the more settled the guy is, the easier it is for him to get married, right? You have no idea about these rich people. They don't care about love. If the guy is not settled, they don't provide their consent. Thus, as soon as I get inducted in the board of directors, my chances of getting married to you will increase, my dear.
Amazing. You are at the top of your game.
Hey, of course I am. Okay, I'll see you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
That is why I shall include you in the board of directors.
What happened, mister? Oh!
Hey, hello. Isn't Dad here yet?
Is he supposed to visit us? What happened?
Nothing. Is Miss Gayatri at home?
Yeah, she's here. She's in the prayer room.
Oh, okay. It's good. Everyone will be here in a while.
Everyone?
Yes. Mom, Anushka, even they will be joining us.
Is Aunt Neeta coming too?
Yes.
Is it something important?
Yes, it is.
What's the matter?
Here I'm your guest. Offer me some tea or coffee.
Do you wish to have tea?
Of course. Why not?
I mean, you are quite rich. You must be eating a lot of fancy items, right?
Come on, Purva. Nothing can beat a cup of homemade tea. Anyway, I was just kidding. Relax.
Shall I ask you something?
Go ahead.
I mean, how does it feel to be so rich? I mean, you can buy anything, right? Without checking its price tag? Isn't it?
I'm sorry. Purva, you are very cute. You're too cute.
Hey, Karthik. What brings you here?
Hey, Miss Gayatri. Actually, I was...
Hello, Auntie.
Hello, Miss Gayatri.
Hello, Mr. KK. Hello. What brings you all here all of a sudden?
Who are you? Where are you taking me?
Hey, hero. Don't try to be over smart. Just sit quietly.
Listen, you guys are mistaken. I didn't do anything. You've abducted the wrong person.
Really? Do your official documents bear the name Siddhant Sinha? Huh?
Now do you realize that we have abducted the right person?
तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू